US Bank Retirement Planner Honest Review. Watch before using. US Bank offer a comprehensive set of retirement planning tools and services designed to assist individuals in preparing for their retirement. These services include online calculator, various retirement account options, and access to financial advisors through US Bank Up Investment. And here are the key features about this platform that makes it differ from other retirement planner, which comes with the retirement calculator, retirement account, which comes with the 401k rollover, catering to a wide range of retirement service needs. It also comes with a financial advisory service and an automated investing. The automated investor program offer a robo-advisor service with a low annual fee suitable for those preferring a hand-off investment approach. And talking about the pros and cons, it's good to understand the good side and the bad side of a retirement planner before diving into it. So I'm going to talk about the good and the bad side of this retirement planner. So one of the good side is comes with comprehensive tools, a diverse account option, and a professional guidance together with an automated investing. So talking about the downside, which is a fee structure. Some users have reported that certain retirement accounts carries high fee, which could be part long term return. It also comes with a downside of a potential conflict of interest and a mixed customer review. And here's a very conclusion about this platform. PS Bank Retirement Planner offer a robust set of tools and services suitable for individuals seeking to plan their retirement with a professional guidance. The availability of various account types and automated investment options has to its appeal. However, potential users should be mindful of the fee structure and seek clarity on any associated costs. As with any financial service, it's advisable to compare offering and consult with a financial advisor to ensure alignment with personal retirement goal. So if you have any further questions or need information on any other retirement planning tools, feel free to comment down below.